Hi everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone's battery life has taken a hit after updating to iOS 18.3.1, you are not alone. Many users have noticed the same issue. While this battery drain is caused by the update itself and can't be completely fixed, there are some workarounds that can help extend battery life. First, open Settings, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Inside, tap Location Service. This could be one of the main reasons for excessive battery drain. If you are not actively using location service, turning it off completely can make big differences. If you still need it, limit access for certain apps by setting permissions to never or while using the app, depending on your needs. Also, under System Service, disable unnecessary location-based features, keeping only essentials like Find My iPhone enabled. Next, hit to Display and Brightness. And turn off Always On Display if you have it and it's on. This feature can drain battery quickly. Also set auto lock a short duration like 13 seconds or 1 minute to prevent the screen home staying on longer than necessary. Another settings to check is background app refresh under General. You can disable this entirely without worrying about missing notifications from apps like WhatsApp. Your message and calls will still come through just fine. Lastly, consider your network usage. Whenever possible, use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, as Wi-Fi consumes less power. Also avoid keeping both Wi-Fi and cellular data enabled at the same time when one isn't in use. By tweaking these settings, you should see a noticeable improvement in battery life. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.